Hi, I'm here with another Christmas gift idea from the Escape and Unwind collection by Boots, and it comes in this box. I'm going to take it out of the box and I will be back to show you what comes inside in a second. Thank you. So inside the box is one of these makeup bags that you see advertised on Instagram and other social media sites. It can open up really wide and you can get all your items into it, and then you just have to pull the drawstring, and that's what immediately interested me in purchasing this, because I had wanted one of them. So I'm very happy with that. And you also get there's an inside pocket, little bits of jewellery or anything you want to put in like that. Very handy. And there's a little section for brushes, which is also very handy. Just tighten it up a bit for the sake of the video. You get some cream, lotion, that one is a hand balm, that one is the body wash, and this is, I'm guessing, yeah, the body lotion. You also get lovely black eyeliner, nice and soft, and you get a bronzer. Just a nice size for putting in your makeup bag. Get a lip gloss. And finally you get the eyeshadow quad, which has some little names on it. A nice taupe, a chocolate, a warm shimmer and a cool shimmer. And that one I would use probably on my eyebrows as well as an eyeshadow. Very nice. And they're also very soft shimmers. A very nice palette, or quad. So you get the quad, you get the lotion, the hand lotion, the shower gel, the little bronzer, the lip gloss, and finally you get the black eyeliner. And all of that inside the drawstring bag, which I have it. Also, I forgot to mention, the side pockets the whole way around, there's a little Velcro, so you could use those for other things also. And it's quilted effect, and when it's put together correctly, which I haven't done because I haven't got much space here to work with, unfortunately, you can hang it. That goes tucked in. So I think that's a very, very impressive gift for Christmas, or for any time of the year. If you picked one up now, if you had a birthday in the new year. Very nice, very handy, and all of the items inside it are very wearable and very user friendly for just about anybody. So thank you for watching the little review, and I hope you give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and perhaps you could consider subscribing to the channel. I do lots of little reviews, and if you ring the bell you get a notification of future uploads. Thank you.